Everyone, so today right now I just came in Tirupati, so let's see, this is the idol of Lord Venkatesh in front of the temple. I just came and let's see the view of all over Tirupati and Balaji. Many more visitors came, and right now I'm also going to take the place of Lord Venkatesh and I'll donate my hair today, so I'll become bald after today. So I'm also feeling very happy because this time also early morning as a 3:30 as known as the Brahma Muhurta as a Amrit Bela time, so I'm also feeling so energetic here. So let's be together and explore the Tirupati Balaji and Tirumala along with me. So let's explore and Bolo Lord Venkatesh ki jai. Thank you so much and let's go together. And I will update everything regarding everything Tirupati and Tirupati Balaji. So thank you so much. Bolo Govinda. Lord Venkatesh ki jai. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So this is the idol of Sri Venkateswaraya Swami in temple side area only. So I am going to take the place. So I am going to say about Lord Venkateswaraya Sri Balaji. So even Tirumala Sri Venkateswaraya Swami temple is one of the sacred and richest and famous temple of India dedicated to Lord Venkateswaraya, situated on the hill of Tirumala Hills, which is a Seshachalam Hills range. So this is dedicated to Vishnu, which is known as the Venkateswaraya here only. So deity is worshipped by North Indian by the name of Balaji. So the popular mantra of Sri Balaji Venkateswaraya Swami is the Om Namo Narayana, Om Namo Venkateswaraya. So there are so many different names of the Sri Balaji, such as the first one is the Venkateswaraya. So literally means the meaning of Venkateswaraya is Lord of Venkata. So the words Venkata means the destroyer of sins, and Venkateswaraya is known as Srinivasa, in whom Lakshmi dwells. So there is another name is Narayana, means the pre-modal. So one. So even there is a one Telugu name that is known as the Perumal. So the meaning of Perumal is the great Lord. So this is the Venkateswara Swami, different name. And even in Tamil language, the Venkateswara Swami is known as the Malayappa. So Malayappa means the Lord of the Hills, and Govinda, protector of cows. So in Tamil he is commonly also called as a Ilumalayam, meaning the Lord of Seven Hills, means Ilumalayam. So in Telugu known as the Idu Kondalu Bara. So also in Tamil the hill name Bankatam, which is another form of Bankuntam, means it is clear that the Lord Venkateswaraya means Lord Vaikunt Vasarya, or God of Vaikuntha and Vaikuntha.
Bolo Balaji, Lord Venkatesh ki jai. So right now this is the temple which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, one of the form of Balaji. So we can see this is a unique temple of India, and I go to a place of Lord Balaji just before half an hour ago. So Bolo Lord Venkatesh Balaji ki jai in Tirupati Tirumala. So how it is the temple, we can see it is one of the so unique temple of India, and let's see many more visitors and devotees of Balaji who came to take the place of Balaji. So this is all the places nearby the temple. We can see how it is the places. So even it is one of the richest and unique temple of India also. And I am also feeling very well today because today I also got a place of Balaji in Tirupati, in Tirumala also. And even Tirupati is situated on the Tirumala hill. So that reason it is also known as the Tirumala. So how it is the temple we can see, and one of the unique temple, and I can't explain in a word that how I am feeling today here. So Bolo Sri Balaji Maharaj ki jai. Go Govinda. Jai Govinda, Jai Govinda.
So this is the main shrines of the temple that is visible from here, because inside this temple camera is not allowed. So the temple of Venkateswaraya was built by the Thondam king and reformed periodically by Cholas, Pandyas and Vijayanagara rulers. So Thondanavam Chakravarti, a Tamil king and ruler of ancient city of Kanchipuram in 300 AD, and the temple rites were formalized by Ramanujacharya in 11th century AD. So there is a very great history also regarding these places because of the many rulers who came and built this temple and donated to their contributions. So that is a very unique thing, and even we know that very well this is popular for Sri Acharya Ramanujam, who also came and did meditate here. So and also inaugurate one temple in Tirupati, that is a Govinda Raja temple. So I am feeling very well here, and this is the one of the sacred bath place where every devotees are used to came and take bath in this sacred pond, which is located inside the temple itself only. So this is a very good thing, and this is a ritual of this place and in this temple that all of the devotees from all over India coming and donating their hairs in this temple. And this is the Annadanam Kshetra where I also got a prasadam at this place. So many more devotees who also they are waiting in vain to take the prasadam at this place. So how it is, we can see many more devotees are waiting at this place, and from today I am returning from here. So please like and subscribe my channel.
Thank you so much.
And right now I am just returning from Tirumala to Tirupati because railway station is located in Tirupati. So I will take my train from Tirupati station for my home state Danapur in Bihar. So this is also on hill of Tirumala. So this is the hillside. I am going from top of the mountain to ground level. So thank you so much.